Hi everyone, welcome to NDVA educational YouTube channel. Today our Python program was Python division. In this program, first I will read the program requirement. They provided a task here, so I will read this task. The provided code stub reads two integers a and b from standard input. So as previous program also, they provided the program requirement first line like this. So in this line means we need to take integer values, integer variables a and b as our input. And coming to the next line, the first line should contain the result of integer division, which denotes a double slash b, and the second line should contain the result of float division, which denotes a slash b. So in this program, the main aim to given this program was we need to know how many types of Python divisions are present in Python programming language. So here we have two Python divisions are present. One is integer division and another one is float division. So here in we can also integer division we can also called as truncated division. Coming to the example, we clear that we need to how to develop code, right? We need to first take as two input values as integers, and by using those input values we can perform integer division and float division. And I will write directly a equal to int input of, and as it is I will write copy this, paste this. So I did take a and b as input, and I will directly print this thing. So first they ask us to print integer division, right? So they provided an example what is integer division and what is float division. So here 3 divided by 5, they simply mentions 0 because after decimal point they didn't give result. And coming to the float division, so here decimal points also provided as our result. This is the major difference between integer division and float division. If suppose I will divide 9 with 4, so 2 point something will be written. In that time, if I applying the integer division, only 2 will be written. That is the main uses of integer division. In float division, they provided with decimal points also. So first they ask us to print integer division followed by the float division. So I will write here a double slash b. I will directly write here without any double quotes. This is the variable, right? We can actually this as I explained in the previous program, this stores the value, some value, this stores some value. So I directly perform operation, integer operation in print statement only, because we don't need any we don't need to store this value in another variable. So please remember, variable concept is very important across all programs, because without storing our value and some logics we can't write any code. So variable concept is important. And next line I will print simply a slash b. This means float division, this means integer division. So I will directly run this code first. After that I will submit this code. Here they provided one test case. In this test case they take a value as 4, b value as 3. By performing these two, this will simply return 1 without decimal points. Float division returns decimal points also. In this way we can develop our code for this program requirement. While submitting the code, we have two test cases there. And I want to highlight one point here. we can take we not need to take no need to take a and b as mandatory. We can take any name with the name of with these two variable names. So I will here code also executed successfully. So I will explain here this point. So first here I will take name 1, I will take as for first variable name. Here I will take name 2 as second variable. I will use this 2 as this as variable name here also. Why I am explain this? Because we not need to take a b as mandatory thing to any program. We can take any variable any name as variable. So I will apply same as here also. So I will take an example name 1 name 2. You can maybe take anything as an example. So I will submit this code. This also executed. So the main idea is here why I am taking name 1 name 2. We can take any variable. The variable purpose is why I am saying multiple times, because variable is the main important concept that is stores the value basically. So here name 1 stores the first input value, name 2 stores the second input value. Here we are performing the truncated integer division first. Here we performing the float division. While we see in the previous program, on that program we are performing the sum operation in the first line, second line, subtraction operation, third line, multiplication, like that. We can use variables. Here a and b, why I am taking name 1 name 2 is difficult to write entire code. Suppose we can take a and b, we can easily write in code a and b instead of name 1, like this big naming conventions. This is the way we need to develop our code by step. Here we need to take input, so that I will take input like this, and according to the program requirement, we not required anything to develop any code. We can directly print our output as per the requirement. In this way we can think and develop code for any program. So if any questions or doubts, please comment in the comment section so that I will explain. Thanks for supporting, and thank you all.